Now, what are the examples? The TTT diagram for the eutectic steel, 0.8% of carbon, right? So, alternate to the Pearlite transformations at a temperature just below the 7 to 7 degrees C, the alternate transformation into Pearlite. The transformation start after a short incubation period and completes over the times. Okay, if you talk about the alternate to the Bainite transformations, a temperature between 250 to 550 degrees C, austenite transformation into the bainite. The transformation rate is slower than of Pearlite. Here we are having the slower. As you can see, we have already done these all topics just in a previous slide. So the things comes repeatedly. Just we need to know what is the main concept, main core idea behind this, so that we can not have difficulties while we are attending the examinations. Okay. Austenite to Martensite transformations. So below the MS, or you can say 220 degrees C, the ocean formation into the martensite. The transformation is instantaneous and depends only on temperature, not on sorry, depends only on temperature, not over the time. So time is independent here, and the only temperature is mentioned. But above that, whatever the bainite and pearlite, where the time also matters. Okay, so times is also playing a role. Okay, here's a note. What the note TT diagrams are the indispensable tools for understanding and controlling the phase transformation in FEC alloys. I mean, you can say the steel alloy, or sorry, iron carbon alloys, which is known as steel. By analyzing these diagrams, engineers can design heat treatment process to achieve the specific microstructures and properties, ensuring that steel components meets the required transformation standard for various applications. These are just the idea behind to know the how material are behaving, what is their microstructures, and according to that we can assume we can predict their mechanical properties, and by knowing the mechanical properties that we can use them accordingly in application part. Okay, so you can think about, I mean, these all are just repeating things. Okay, we have already made about these all.